Hello, my name is Brian Becker, and I'm the Academic Outreach Advisor for the Office of Minority Student Affairs. The video you're about to watch is part of a larger series we're calling the Student Success Kit. In each of these videos, you'll learn a bunch of tips and tricks on how to use the different academic resources available to you. That said, let's get right into it. Welcome back. Today's video will be on using the self-service tool. Now, for those of you that aren't familiar, the self-service is used to access your personal and academic information, so registering for classes, financial aid, paying fees, to access your UiPay account, and things of that nature. So grades, transcripts, really anything that's involved with you as a student, you can typically access through the self-service tool. Now, to get to the self-service, you're going to go to apps.uillinois.edu/self-service. And since we're part of the UIUC campus, we'll go ahead and click on University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign. And so after that, it'll take you to a screen to log yourself in. I'm already logged in, so it'll take me straight to the self-service tool. Now, when you first get to this page, it can be a little daunting. There's a lot of information, but each of these tabs essentially explains what information you can access from them. So starting in the first one, the personal information tab, this is where you update your address, phone number, contact information, emergency contacts, and things of that nature. You can also include your preferred first name, or if you had a legal name change, you can update that there as well. Now, it's really important once you get closer to graduation that you keep your addresses and contact information up to date, as they'll use that when it comes to mailing or delivering your diploma to you. On the next tab, we have financial aid, which is exactly as it sounds. It's any relevant information regarding your financial aid. And so this is where you'd go to see your scholarship letter as well as your financial aid award letter. You can also see things like cost of attendance, your financial aid history, different requirements, and then your SAP or satisfactory academic progress, which comes into play if you're adding and dropping classes. So the things involved with your credit hours could potentially affect your financial aid, and that information is listed here as well. In addition, there's a couple of tools here. So your college financing plan, as well as the education loan history. So if you've taken out loans, that's information you can access here as well. The employee tab is relevant if you're an employee of the university. This could include student positions as well. The next tab, registration and records, is probably what you'll use the most in the self-service tool. This is where you go to register for your courses. So you have the enhanced registration tool, the classic registration. You can cancel your registration, tuition and fees information, and your My Illini student, which can show you your schedule, final grades, midterm grades, and things of that nature as well. And there's also a link to the Campus Course Explorer. If you'd like to learn more about using the Course Explorer, we actually do have another video here that kind of walks you through how to use it and search for different classes, and then find those CRN numbers to register for your courses, which is what you do here on the registration tab. The next tab here is account billing information. So this first page pops up because it's really important that you are aware of when payments are due and that you've acknowledged the information listed here. So I'm going to go ahead and check the box. I've acknowledged the statement and click continue. Now on this page, you can access information regarding your student account as well as your tax information. So if you are being claimed as a dependent on your parents' taxes, they may actually need your 1098-T to file their taxes. You can also access the UiPay, which is your student account, to see if you have any balances of fees on there, as well as enter your information for a direct deposit if, let's say, you receive a refund from the university. You can also see your College of Illinois benefits, and the most important thing, well, potentially the most important thing on this page is actually the Viewports tab there. Now, a lot of students actually get a little confused when they do get a notification about a hold, but this is where you'd go to see those and access them and see specifically what the hold is for. It's really important to stay on top of that, as holds can affect your ability to receive financial aid as well as register for classes. So be sure if you get any type of notification regarding a hold that you come in here and see exactly what that is for. And the final tab here is refund information. So if you do receive a refund from the university, that information can be accessed on that tab as well. But in a nutshell, that's a very quick gloss over of the self-service tool. Again, I do recommend that you go in through each of these individually and click through them to make sure that you understand the information listed in each. And as always, if you have absolutely any questions at all, please do feel free to reach out to us or the relevant unit associated with each of those things. So that is the self-service. We hope you found that video useful. To connect with the Office of Minority Student Affairs or to schedule a drop-in appointment with one of our full-time student success advisors, please use the information linked below. You can also follow us on social media with our handle @OMSA Illinois on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We hope to hear from you soon.